If you are looking for the best leaf vacuum, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Worx Positec Turbine 12 Ampere corded leaf blower. This leaf vacuum is surprisingly lightweight, so you won't have to lug anything too heavy around with you at all. You can actually use this with just one hand if you want to, and it won't allow you to ever get tired. It has a turbine inside the vacuum, which makes it extremely powerful to use. This leaf vacuum can even work in the toughest conditions, as it has a hyper-stream air nozzle to tackle them. The turbine is cutting edge, and spins twice as fast as the blowers used by commercial grounds crews. Number 2. Toro 51621 UltraPlus Leaf Blower Vacuum. The Toro 51621 UltraPlus is Toro's most powerful leaf vacuum mulcher to date and provides superior blowing and mulching capabilities. Its 12-amp motor blows air up to 250 miles per hour, putting it on par with some of the best electric blower vacs in the industry. Despite its noticeable performance, the Toro 51621 UltraPlus really shines in its smart design and ease of use. Featuring an easy-to-carry oversized handle, variable speed control, quick-release latch, bottom dump zipper and cold storage hook, it's a terrific option for anyone who appreciates craftsmanship and an eye for detail. Number 3. Greenworks 24322 Cordless Leaf Blower Vacuum. As far battery-operated garden tools go, Greenworks is one of the top brands, and they have put a lot of effort into making their machines very energy efficient. The Greenworks 24322 uses their G-Max 40 volts, 4Ah battery, which, combined with the DigiPro brushless motor, gives an exceptional operating time. You could get as long as 60 minutes run time from the battery. This Greenworks weighs only 5.6 lbs. It performs very well compared to other battery-powered equivalents, being able to blast at 185 miles per hour at full speed with a 340 cfm airflow capacity. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER BV6000 Electric Leaf Blower and Amp, Mulcher. The BLACK+DECKER BV6000 also features a powerful 250 miles per hour blower that makes blowing leaves and debris a breeze. While being up to 50% quieter than other electric BLACK+DECKER models, according to ISO 3744 sound test procedures, its 2-speed 12-amp motor has plenty of power to blow, vacuum, mulch and keep most yards neat and clean. Switching from blower to vacuum and vice versa is also incredibly easy with the BLACK+DECKER BV6000. In fact, you can quickly convert it without tools in just a few seconds. Number 5. Husqvarna 125 BVX Handheld Leaf Blower Vacuum. The Husqvarna 125 BVX is the best commercial gas leaf vacuum mulcher you can find. This leaf comes with a 28cc 2-cycle gas engine that outputs 425 cfm and up to 170 miles per hour of air velocity, just what you need to sweep or gather loads of leaves. It has a 16:1 mulch capability, turning 16 bags of leaves in just one. Despite being a gas-powered tool, it's ergonomic and comfortable, while the Smart Start with Auto Return Stop switch is another highlight.
click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.